Okay, see, this is our login screen. We need to enter our user ID and password. And after entering user ID and password, we need to click on sign in button. And this is the dashboard of our web software. On the dashboard, we can see the number of the vehicles which is in moving stage, idle stage, stop stage, offline, inactive, and never connected. When we click on the map, we can see all the vehicles on the map. Okay, see, on the left side, we can see the list of the vehicles. This is the ambulance, this is the ambulance. If we want to know the location of this vehicle, we just need to click on the ambulance. And as you can see, this is not connected, which means this vehicle has not been connected in our system. So let us check the vehicle which is connected. Here you can see AMO, Jaunty, this vehicle. This vehicle is connected. When we click on this, we can see its location. Here you can see the location of this vehicle is Pratapgarh, North Pratapgarh. And this is the time. The current location of this vehicle is this vehicle is in stock stage right now, and that is why it is in the red color. And here you can see the alert. We are receiving alert. No duration longer than 2 minutes. We have created an alert for the vehicle which is in the move, uh, the stage of the vehicle in move. The name of the device is vehicle, and the speed of this vehicle is at 100 km per hour. When we click on the events, we can see all the events. Events means alerts. We have the over speed alert also. See the vehicle, the name of the vehicle is Bisal, which is driving their vehicle above uh, 10 kilometer per hour. You can create the over speed alert by 100 kilometer, 110 kilometer, 80 kilometer, depends on you. This is this is dynamic. You can create the alert on the every vehicle. Okay, here is the vehicle. And on the map, when we zoom out the map, we can see all the vehicles. See, two vehicles are here in the Kolkata. Let us zoom out again. Okay, see, two vehicles here, two vehicles here, four vehicles in Nepal, 26 vehicles. I think this vehicle is also in Nepal. One vehicle is here. Okay, now let us go to the admin section. When we click on the user, we can see all the users. See, this is Abdul Sattar user, this is Birganj user, this is Anas, and this is Scorpio, this is the user ID. When we click on the down arrow button, we can see the list of the vehicles of that user. See, Abdul Sattar has only one vehicle, and that vehicle is in the active stage. When we click on the object, we can see all the list of the object. The red button indicates that the vehicle is currently in the offline stage, which means the vehicle is currently stopped. And the green and the yellow icon shows the vehicle is the stage of this vehicle is ignition on, which means the vehicle is not in the motion, but its engine has been started. And the green icon shows the vehicle is running. Okay. On the first page, we can see, okay, see this Bisal, this vehicle is running right now. And there are lots of other features also in our website, like to create events, to create alerts. Okay, let me show you the report. See, here in the alerts, we can create alert. In the geofence, we can create the geofence. Here we can create the routes, we can check the reports. There are lots of features in our website, in our software. We will provide you the user ID and password, and then you can check all the features of our website. Okay, see here, this is the report section. Now we have around 50 types of different report available in our system. For example, we have the general information, save time, general information merge. We have a few custom report also. Reports drive and stop, drive and stop with geofence, drive and stop with respect of drivers. There are lots of report you can see. If you have fuel sensor in your vehicle, then we can create the report of fuel also. Fuel fillings, fuel daily, fuel theft. The driver who theft the fuel, we can also find out how many fuels have been compromised from our vehicle. Okay, let us uh, generate a general information report for our vehicle. We have selected the report, the type report is general information, and now we are selecting few vehicles. I have selected this, and this. We are selecting few vehicles so that we can check. Okay, now we are generating the report of uh, yesterday. Okay, as you can see, our report has been downloaded. You can see our bullet. These are the vehicle. Yesterday they haven't driven any distance. So let us make the report of last week. I think all the vehicles are not moving. So let us select another vehicle. Okay, we have selected all the vehicles, and now we are generating the report of last week. It will take some time because we have selected all the vehicles. Okay, this vehicle, uh, total engine hours, total engine hours, route start, the time of the route start, the time of the route end, route length, 177.36 kilometer, which means this vehicle bar 3 car 8014 has traveled 177 kilometer last week. And this is the move duration. And the top speed was 104 kilometer. And the average speed was 17 kilometer per hour. And this vehicle also was Satracha 9311. This vehicle have traveled 680 kilometer. And you can see the report. This was the general information report. We can also create, let us create drive and stop report. We are deselecting all and we are selecting the vehicle. Bartin, okay. BA17, we are creating the report of this vehicle only. Okay, the report has been downloaded. See, this is the total drive and stop report. This vehicle start at this time the vehicle was stopped. At this time the vehicle started moving, and the vehicle traveled. The top speed of this vehicle was 28 kilometer. Over the speed was 50 kilometer per hour. Road length was this, and here the road length was 5.85 kilometer. So you can generate lots of report in our system. Okay, apart from this, you can see there are lots of report like engine hours, ignition on off report, geofence report. You can create a geofence and check whether your devices level of the geofence or not, or your devices are not traveling on on their default area. You can also create the report of events. You can also report offline. Same data is report in our system.